So welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. This is a ref red in Manang Lina'S new refrigerator. And so I'm going to open her refrigerator because she got new refrigerator. If you're following our video, she got new refrigerator. Tama ni here. Yeah, so dako gid ni siya nga rep nanay no. Taga-asa ra dito mo rep taga kuan ra to nimo nay?
Yan ako tubsa.
Dire?
Oh, anak.
Yeah, so this one. Pilay palit ni mo ani manang?
13.99.
Yes. So this is now the ref red. 13,999. So it's around 14. Yeah. Yeah, so this is now. So as you seen, there's a hot dog. There's a hot dog and then 3 pieces of fish. Yeah, so that's all she got. Hot dog. A hot dog is only 4 pieces or 5. And then, of course, here, water. She got water. She got fresh milk. And then, 3 pieces of eggs. Okay? And then here, she got some carrots. And there's 1 pizza here. And then, some ginger. I think ginger, yeah. No. I don't know. Turmeric. Yeah, and then there's 1 orange. Yeah, and 1 apple.
Ng orange ni mo.
1 orange and 1 apple. Ah, na din ing anid ay ning ice na nay. No, di ay. Yeah, so there's an ice there.
Number 1 ka na. Utang.
Number 1 na siya, di ba? Number 2.
Yeah,
Kuan lagi
it's
ado ko
very
sugang
nice.
ice ug number 2.
Pila? 13,999?
13,999.
Yeah, so just 1 peso to make it 14,000 because that's part of marketing that point 1999, you know, so to convince. But if you look at it, it's just 1 peso difference. And then she got here Wi-Fi. Kusog ni Manang? Pilay palit mo ani Manang? 2,000? Yeah, so this is new. Unya, asa man ni? Wa malagi. Wa malagi signal. Pero nagsige makag-upload murag tulo man to kabuk imong na-upload rong adlaw.
Katurang kana mang naa.
Kana? Yeah, so there's the old one. She got 2 Wi-Fi, but the other one didn't work. Yeah, so this is really nice. Now look at that. That's what I told her, that don't put kasaba because you can see outside, you know. It makes nicer to see outside. You know, so later on she's going to put this one window glass so that there's no need she can show whoever inside, and at the same time going outside look whoever without opening the window like ours there. Yeah, so I brought the orange, you know. This is the advantage if you have a refrigerator red. You got an orange.
Para ng orange ni.
Na.
Pila man ni?
Ilang orange na nay?
22 oy.
Oh, grabe ka mahal po ng orange sa eh. Yeah, the orange is 22 pesos.
Wa ni mo iuli. Okay uta.
Yeah, and then there's some chickens now. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 small chicken. Yeah, and my plants are doing good now. My flowers, I got flowers there. Yeah, my cactus is growing there now. Yeah, that's Jessica's puppy. They went to practice for tomorrow's at the church. They leave the puppy in the cage and it's very noisy. Yeah, so here, just gonna do some cleaning here. But this one, doing well, very nice. And then, we gonna also put additional antenna there because that antenna seems not working on and off. You know, so I ordered antenna in Lazada. So I said to Terrence we're gonna buy additional one what do you call that, pipe, or we can use on that. Still just a busy, you know. Yeah, so that's it for now. This one is growing. Buhiin na lang ka na, nanay, oy. Hello, babies. Yeah, so have a good day. Thank you so much and God bless. Okay.